If you're looking to create a Google slide where you have stagnant images that cannot be manipulated or moved and text that also can't be moved, while still having other aspects that you can and a text box that we can actively type in, we need to go into our slides and edit the master. So we're going to begin first by creating a new Google slide. And within the slide, if you're interested, you can change the aspect ratios and how the page is laid out. So I'll go into the page setup and click custom, and I'm just going to give this the dimensions of a regular sheet of paper, and I click apply, and now it's going to look like a piece of paper. Sometimes we want to do this, other times we don't. And I'm going to now go into the slide feature, and I want to edit the master. Now, once I'm in edit the master, I may choose to use these, but if not, I can delete these text box that are in there. I'm going to insert an image here. And so I'm going to search the web, and what I'm selecting here is a clip art tree. And I'm just picking the first tree I have. And now the tree has been placed, and I can also put a text box in with my directions right here. So I'm going to say, place 5 apples on the tree. And once I have my directions in, and this is a text that I don't want to be moved. I want to make sure that this one stays on the page and the students are unable to change whatever content I'm putting on this master. Now, once I have that set, I can X out the editing within the master slide, and we can see that I have this slide here that we can't do anything with. And if you click the drop down, you'll notice that that slide is right there, and I can reuse it a number of times. So if I want to create this background image. Now on the slide, I can insert an image, and I'm going to search the web here, and instead of a tree, I'm now going to look for that apple. And I find an apple here, and I'm going to hit insert. And I'm going to adjust the size down so that it will fit on the tree. And then for this activity, I'm just going to paste it a bunch of times and put these apples down on the bottom for the students to interact with. And they can drag these apples and move them around. And then I want a text box that the students can write in. So I'm adding an additional text box. And sometimes for kids, it helps to put a line around it so that they can see where they're going to type and directions to, write name here or whatever we're looking for them to put in the text box. And now we can see that this text can't be moved, this image can't be moved. They can, however, come in and type in the text box, and they are able to put those apples up on the tree and follow the directions. And that's how we can adjust a master slide in Google Slides to give us non-moving text and images.